recording. So guys, he just told us about the lime leaf. We rub it together, give a good fragrance. So if you smoke or anything, you can rub it together and put it on your skin and they won't smell the smoke. And then now we have the guinea for sinus,
Alright, let me
arthritis,
then big brother when I finish.
anything. David.
Here, Dave.
Okay. Yeah.
Good.
Guinea. This year we have sugar cane.
Gonna
We
try
used to
some
make
cane.
rum, sugar, molasses, and vinegar.
You guys have cane in Fiji.
Oh yeah, a lot.
What is it good for? Good for sinus, or if you're catching up a draw, or you have the flu, put some beer rum on it.
Okay.
And use it to wet up yourself, you know, like put it in the mold,
Yeah.
rub the skin. Leaf, like whenever you have fever, you put it underneath the pillar or underneath the wrapping sheet.
Okay.
You lie down and get rid of the fever. You don't gotta go to the doctor.
Some people are having
Ganda.
Come on, everyone is getting their eat.
Oh yeah, that's your share.
Here we go.
Thank you. It's sweet.
Yeah.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You like it, yeah, babe?
Dad, turn around.
You like your cane?
Yeah. Good.
This here is one of the sweetest cane in the sugar cane plant.
Which
This one
type
is
is
yellow
that? Oh. Yellow belly. Yellow belly cane.
Oh, no battery.
Oh my, I always laugh. I need to plug it in when I get in the car.
This year we have the elephant here. This is the only part of the elephant we have here in Jamaica.
Oh, we
When
eat
say
those.
don't say nothing bad about the elephant because he will hear you. I want to show you guys something.
You eat
very
those
interesting.
too?
Look at
Yeah.
these two leaves.
What is it called in Jamaican?
Elephant ears.
Oh,
What do you guys call it?
Dalo.
Dallo.
Oh.
Dalo
Alright,
party.
look at these two leaves. What do you see?
One's wet, one's dry.
Right, how comes? They go underneath the water.
Right.
This one is more shiny. This one come like a crust.
Right.
Why?
So this one, we cook it to give like to the pigs or common fowls. This one we heat.
Yeah.
Oh, they eat that one. Oh, so one of them we can't, we
Look at the
shouldn't
water
eat.
inside of this one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It just dries off.
Not the dries off. Look at this one. Not the dries off. Watch it.
That's the one we eat. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one we eat. Look at the water inside of this one.
Yeah.
Clear.
It's like crystal
Crystal
clear. Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah, man. I want to show you guys a little trick with the water inside of it as well.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
a little
Nice.
trick.
Oh wow.
Crystals.
They're still inside it. You ain't gonna know. Yeah, man.
Come on.
Okay.
Again. Papa, we're find out something. Yeah, hurry. Papa, we're gonna find out something. Papa, we're gonna find out something. Papa, we're gonna find out something.
Hi.
You can come on your one behind us.
Oh. Okay. Those guys that come to the room with the bed.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that's how we bathe around here.
Yeah.
Come on.
Have a
No one
shower.
is nothing, they just
Huh?
go on the
They,
day.
they come and have a shower sometimes. Tarzan. You took it out of my mouth, David. It's very cool and relaxing.
Ro is missing it.
Mm-hmm.
How long does bamboos last in the river?
8 to 9 months.
That's it?
Ah.
You build it?
Yeah. We have 3 different types of bamboo here in Jamaica. Iron, Chinese, and cotton.
Cotton bamboo.
Wow. Ooh, I thought that was a snake.
We use the cotton bamboo in the bow. Use the
I
Chinese
haven't
bamboo
seen a snake like
for the
big
house
like that
furniture.
in Jamaica. Never.
Never?
Use the
Okay.
Chinese
You
bamboo
can
for
use
decoration.
these to build houses.
No, not this type. This one is cut from soft.
Okay.
So it can
So we use
float.
the high-end bamboo to build the house and the furniture.
I'm under Wi-Fi, right?
And we use the Chinese bamboo for decoration around the
Well, I
house.
see 3G.
Chinese bamboo is
So
much
just
finer.
regular use?
The cotton bamboo is softer
Maybe
than
you
the
have a
high-end
plan
bamboo.
on your phone. I'm not sure. Or with your
David, if
I'm
it's
looking at it.
Yeah.
David,
Huh?
if it's 3G, it's fine, right?
3G is okay.
I better not get $2,000 bill.
Oh! Traffic back in.
Crash landing.
Crash landing, yeah.
Or we're turning.
Yeah.
We're turning around. Excited to turn around. Nella, you were frightened just now.
Oh, goodness.
Ooh, it's look on the camera. It's so pretty.
Yeah, I know.
Persons who live nearby the river.
Your camera's neat. What
use the
camera is
water
that?
for home use.
iPhone
Nobody's
X.
taking the water from the water commission.
Oh, iPhone X.
Yeah.
Buy a pump for the water from the river.
I wanted to get a camera like
Is that
this,
how
a
you have
phone
it?
like this, so the
Yeah.
camera is really good.
Yeah, yeah.
You pump the water yourself or just turn the tap on?
You just start the pump.
Okay.
You run the pipeline to the house to the tanks.
You turn it on. While
You
it's
turn on the pump with the electrical
It's
pump
really
or
pretty,
the
the
gas pump.
lighting.
They should have like
No, they don't use like.
juices and serve skin in this, you know?
Yeah.
Up in here,
Massage going while we're in it.
name of this broadleaf tree,
Which one?
trumpet. Back in the 60s, 70s, we didn't have any form of radio communication.
Trumpet
or
leaf.
television.
Yeah.
This is what we get a warning from whenever a storm is coming or a heavy rain.
Or they use it,
Yeah,
the
leaf
leaf to
crumbles,
make.
turns over.
Yeah.
So we know directly the storm or the heavy rain is heading directly to Jamaica.
Okay.
Otherwise, for the trumpet, we used to give to the cattle whenever they have cough.
Yeah.
Fast after birth. So it's a medicine as well for the animals.
The trumpet leaf, guys.
Yeah.
Because when it turns upside down, storm's coming.
Oh, when it turns upside down, the
Yeah, when it
storm is.
crumbles and turns upside down.
If it turns upside down, the storm or heavy rain is coming.
Probably the fishing village over there, but
Oh,
the
so that
because
means-
of the bank is cutting away whenever the river comes down.
Yeah. The fishing is.
Yeah, man. Remember I told you black perch.
Yeah. How big?
Shrimp.
Nice size, 3 pounds, 2.5.
Romeo need to bring
Biggest
me
they ever catch is a 3.5.
fishing up here then.
Very broad.
It's pretty deep down this side. Look on the stick. How far it is.
First, you guys ever experienced
Nice
something
and
like
thick.
this?
Yeah. It's
No,
deep
not
here.
the bamboo. I grew up in the islands, Fiji.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we used to rivers and all that, but not,
Yeah, yeah.
bamboo.
We our local mango. Name of it stringy.
Mango stringy.
Blossoming now.
Yeah.
I don't like stringy.
Probably
guys
early
have
April, we
stringy
have
in
mangoes
Fiji?
to eat.
Right. Right now it's not the mango season.
No, the mangoes are finished. I love mangoes.
Now
Like,
it's the festive season to
yeah.
eat a
Oh,
lot
what
of
are
meat.
those? The
Chicken,
orange ones?
fish, pork, curry goats, you name it.
Okay.
what?
The orange looking
Right
one.
here,
Oh, I guess he's gonna tell us. I don't know that
name of
one.
it, flame of the forest, otherwise known as African tulip.
Which one?
Orange leaf tree of Africa.
Flame of the
Oh,
forest.
The only
okay.
tree give us flowers right around the year. And that big brown stuff you see there on the tree, termite.
That big thing, black thing.
Yeah.
Oh, the stuff hanging down?
No, the big brown stuff on the tree over there.
Okay, okay.
It's termite. You eat down your house.
Yeah.
If it's bored.
Here we have a huge bamboo root, a mixture of it. Chinese,
Bamboo.
not Chinese, iron and cotton.
Okay.
Iron and cotton bamboo, guys.
Mixture of it.
Like bamboo?
Yeah.
Wow.
And the bamboo grows up to 128 feet long, then it curls, it stops grows there, it gets mature.
You know that it takes 5 years to actually start to sprout
Bamboo also
up?
can heat.
Wow.
And then
Very young
after
ones.
that, it grows like maybe an inch a day.
Wow. Look at that. I never seen one really.
Buckle those seatbelt, guys, if you can find it.
Buckle those seatbelts, guys. It's gonna get rough.
What? Do I need to
Gonna
put
get
my
rough.
phone up?
What? There ain't no seatbelt here.
Look for it.
I
What do you
guess-
mean?
Hold on.
Put it on.
Hold on. Oh, hold on to this.
Shit.
Put your seatbelt on.
I don't
Come on,
think.
I'm just kidding, there are no seatbelts.
Oh.
It's gonna flip upside down.
Guys, it's gonna get a little bit bumpy, I think. We're not gonna go the bumpy side. Woo! Today is a
Nice.
beautiful day outside, guys. Very, very beautiful.
And you are with the Americans.
Yeah. Neela and
Hey.
David. Whoop. Kind of rough
Beautiful.
here. It's a bamboo tree.
Watch your phone, David.
Oops.
Oh my god. Ooh, that's flying.
They're catching fish down there.
Oh, nice.
Coming to a stop. I don't see Romeo, so I don't think it's here.
Alright, here we have a very sensitive plant. Name of it, sensitive mimosa.
Sensitive mimosa.
Back in slavery, they plant this in the track to know when the slaves gets away. So whenever you venture touching, close. Close 6 in the evening, open 6 in the morning.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
We call it
Once you
shame
touch it, it
amaka too.
closes.
Yeah.
Because when it closes, it would be like there's
3
shame.
minutes, okay.
Give me a second. Call it.
That tree that he just showed you, that leaf,
Yeah.
we call it shame amaka. Shame amaka. Because when it closes, it would seem as if it's a shame of something.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what my grandmother calls it.
You were saying something about the slaves when they run away, I think?
So when they run away, and if they run past that tree or those leaves, they can trap them because it would be closed. Because once you pass it, it closes.
Okay. So these leaves were everywhere in the jungle?
Yes.
Okay.
So they can use it to track
Okay.
if someone has passed.
But only 3 minutes though, right?
Yeah.
It opens back up in 3 minutes.
Right. They're catching fish down there.
Is it?
Yeah, it seems that way. They're fishing on the river. Or they're just having a good time.
There's fishes down there?
Yeah. It says that there's fishes in the water. That's a breadfruit tree. You guys know breadfruit?
Uh-huh.
Straight ahead over there.
Yeah.
Breadfruit tree.
I feel like eating guava. No guava here, huh?
I don't see any around. Maybe when we're on the road. elephant ears. I think this is the one that gets wet.
Yeah,
This is not the one that we eat.
the one that doesn't get wet.
This one.
So there are two types of elephant ears. One that we can eat and one that we don't eat. Which one we don't eat? This one? This one we eat.
And the wet one doesn't. We don't eat.
We eat this one, and this one that is shiny, we don't eat. We give it to the animals.
Iron. Alright, stretch them feet out.
It's right here. We're doing a limestone.
Getting a limestone massage, you know? Limestone is good for sunburn, mosquito bite, gives you a cool complexion, press on the feet, pain in the joints.
Scrub.
When you do it like this, it stretches the muscles.
Take some home with you.
Here, release the pressure points.
Release the pressure points.
Oh my gosh. Oh, spread your wings. What do you care?
You're getting that on Snap video?
Yeah.
Oops. Limestone massage on the river.
Wow.
You have the battery?
No. I have the charger in the car.
Ticklish.
Yes.
That part is ticklish. Pressure point, guys. So this is these stones over there?
Yeah, but those are the tough ones.
Okay.
Some of them are flint. Otherwise, we call them firestone.
Okay.
Come in, big brother.
Your turn, baby.
Let's go, let's go.
Here, I got it, crew. That's my shit, man.